house on fire is one of the most overwhelming things a homeowner can go through. Even after the flames are out, you're left with the mess, the stress, and sometimes, even often, a long battle with insurance or contractors. We talk to homeowners across the Shenandoah Valley, in towns like Stanton, Elkton, Strasburg, and Harrisonburg, and they ask us, can I even sell this place after the fire? The answer is yes, you can. At Align Real Estate Solutions, we buy fire-damaged homes across Virginia. No repairs needed, no cleanup required, no drawn-out listing process, and we don't penalize you because of the damage. We evaluate the situation fairly based on what's possible, not just what's been lost. Some companies use fire damage as a big fat excuse to make a super low offer, and that's not how we operate. We look at the true value, the potential, and your needs, so we can create a real solution that actually helps you move on. Whether the house is partially damaged, completely gutted, or somewhere in between, we can help you sell it without the added trauma of navigating it alone. We work with owners in Timberville, McGaheysville, Waynesboro, who just need someone to walk them through the next step with care, with clarity, and with honesty. So if you're dealing with a fire-damaged property, don't carry it alone. We're Aligned Real Estate Solutions. We're based here in Virginia, and we're here to help.